Hello viewers, Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale, Diwali sale, all sales have ended. A lot of users have actually missed the chance of buying their favorite tablets during these sales, and when they wanted to buy these products, actually the prices have gone up. But I would say don't worry, another sale will definitely come. However, it is not possible at this point of time to tell you when the sale will exactly start, but there is no doubt that even in the month of November you will come to see another sale, might be the third week or the fourth week of November. Now the question arises, what should be the price of the tablets that you will buy in the next sale? Actually, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the ideal price for this product will be 21 to 23,000 rupees. It is a great tablet. Actually, it comes with 12.4 inches display, and also the multimedia consumption on this tablet is top notch. You will get S Pen in the box, so you can have a great note taking experience with this tablet also. On the other hand, if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, in that case the price should be around 26,000 rupees. This will be the best price for this tablet. It comes with 10.9 inches non-laminated display. However, the display quality is excellent, and as it comes with a 14 Bionic chipset, you can have a great multitasking experience with this tablet also. There is pen support on this tablet, but you have to buy the pen separately. So if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, the best price will be around 26,000 rupees. A lot of users actually wanted to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. If you want to buy this product, the best offer will be available on Amazon.in. So if Amazon offers any deal, you can buy this tablet at around 20,000 rupees using credit cards. However, it is not possible at this point of time to mention which cards will be available for discount. Next, if you want to buy MI Pad 6, in that case the ideal price for this tablet is around 17,999 for the 128GB version and around 20,000 rupees for the 256GB version. This is also a great tablet with Snapdragon 870 processor, and it can give you all the things that you want in a tablet, but you should not expect future updates from this tablet. Next, if you want to buy Oneplus Pad, in that case the ideal price for Oneplus Pad is around 20,000, and if you want to buy the 256GB version, in that case 22,000 should be the ideal price for this tablet. A lot of users actually want to buy Oneplus Pad 2, and they are complaining in the comment section that Oneplus Pad 2 is a great device. There is no denying the fact that Oneplus Pad 2 is a great tablet, but when it comes to note taking experience and non-AMOLED display, I think these two features may be a deal breaker for many users, and they might choose Apple products over Oneplus Pad 2 or Samsung products over this. Actually, sometimes the price of tablets comes down, but nobody knows because they don't observe the pricing. So if you want to know about the best pricing of tablets, you can subscribe this channel. I will let you know whenever there is an offer on tablets. The more you become late, the price increases. So this is a problem of buying the product at a value for money price point. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.